Coat the chicken pieces with chili oil, pepper, and salt. Then massage the seasoning deeply into the meat. Perfect. Okay, now heat cooking oil in a large skillet over medium-low heat. Once the oil is hot, gently place chicken pieces in the skillet and cook for about 8 minutes without flipping. Perfect. And now carefully flip the chicken pieces to the second side and continue cooking until it's beautifully brown and the meat is fully cooked. I mean, look for a golden brown color and no pink meat. Okay, once the chicken is fully cooked, carefully transfer the cooked chicken pieces to a clean plate and let them rest. Use a hand grater and finely grate 3 cloves of garlic. In the same skillet used for cooking chicken, heat the pan and add 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Toast the spice for 1 or 2 seconds to release its aroma. And now it's time to add 1 cup of delicious Greek yogurt, grated garlic, and a pinch of salt. Gently whisk the ingredients until combined and the turmeric is evenly distributed. Just like that. Perfect. Now add the fried chicken to the yogurt sauce and carefully stir to combine. Perfect. When yogurt heated, it naturally tends to curdle and break down as its proteins separate, and this is a standard cooking phenomenon. I mean, some recipes intentionally use this curdling process. Our delicious chicken in yogurt sauce, or as we say in Farsi, Sajichi, is ready. The smell is amazing, and as you can see, it looks stunning. Let me show you how to serve this dish. You can serve this dish in 2 different ways. First, with traditional Iranian flatbreads like taftun or lavash, or use tortilla as an alternative. And the second way to serve this dish is with rice. Serve it with steamed rice and enjoy it.